Minister Johnson does not rule out sending British troops to Yemen if conditions were right. Spectacular Pakistan-India military parade held in Islamabad. North Korea has fired 2 ballistic missiles into the Sea of Japan. King Abdullah University of Science and Technology challenges select finalists for 3 Hajj and Umrah prizes. UN praises the Yemeni government for allowing ship into Hodeidah. Islamabad welcomes Saudi Arabia and Arab alliances present at the Pakistan Day Parade. The Japanese owner of the cargo ship stuck in the Suez Canal apologized over the incident that halted traffic on a crucial waterway. Lebanon caretaker Prime Minister Hassan Diab has ruled out the possibility of reinstating the government he led until its resignation on 10 August 2020.